In Japan, snacks can't taste good. They look exactly like the picture on the package. Same shape, same size, same color. If they don't match, the company can actually get sued by customers. That's because misleading packaging is illegal in Japan. So if your cookie shows chocolate chips on a certain spot, it better look just like that when you open it. The attention to
Ikaw
detail
yung may
is important.
kasalanan. Hoy, ikaw yung nangagat.
In Japan,
Ikaw pa yung matapang. Mag-sorry ka kay ate mo.
did you notice that in Squid Game,
Really?
didn't use weapons at first?
Say sorry to your ate.
The guards show up unarmed so the players think there's no real danger.
Yes, ikaw nga yung kumagat sa kanya. Eh, di ba? Siya yung nasaktan kasi ikaw yung kumagat. Ikaw yung magsusorry, hindi ikaw yung magagalit. Siya ang nagkabubo dahil sa'yo. Oh, ginanyan mo siya. Tama ka nga, ginawa mo yan. Pero siya ang iiyak. Huwag ka magagalit. Anong dapat mo? Anong dapat mo gawin? Oh. Ano dapat mo gawin? Oo. Ikaw ba yung kinagat niyang ganyan? Ikaw yung nakita ko nangagat eh. Oo nga, ikaw yung nakita ko nangagat, anak. Kitang-kita ni mami. Kitang-kita ni mami, anak. Halika dito, i-kiss ko na lang din yan. Kiss ko na lang din yung bubo mo, opo. Tas mag-sorry ka kay ate, ha? After, ha? Ayaw talaga mag-sorry. More? Oh, I'll give you more. You say sorry to ate.